Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming compatibility and gathering essentials. You need the AC's Wi-Fi module type and an active mobile hotspot plan from your carrier. Power down the unit and open the access panel. Be careful around capacitors. Next, enable the phone hotspot and note SSID and password. Make sure mobile data is on and set to 4G/5G. Once done, set the phone within 1-2 meters of the AC, so signal strength is strong before you attempt module pairing. You now configure the AC to join the mobile Wi-Fi. Put the AC module into pairing or AP mode as described. You may need to hold a button for 5-10 seconds. Open the carrier or manufacturer app and select Add Device. When prompted, choose Manual Network and type the hotspot SSID and password exactly. Make sure the phone hotspot uses 4 GHz if the AC requires it, and disable VPN or data saver features so the AC can obtain an IP address. Finish by confirming the app shows the AC as connected and test remote commands. Set temperature and change modes to verify. If it fails, first reboot the phone hotspot and power cycle the AC, then repeat pairing. Once done, recheck signal strength. If problems persist, update the AC module firmware or perform a module reset. As a last resort, use a portable 4G router configured with your carrier SIM to provide a stable bridge. This often resolves hotspot compatibility quirks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.